So now we have 711 rupees as the initial basic feasible solution. Now we are supposed to find out whether 711 rupees itself is the optimal solution or any other solution exists, for which I method, as you all remember or understand, there are two possibilities, case 1 and case 2. What is case 1? Case 1 is a simple procedure where we just verify whether 711 rupees itself is the lowest possible cost or not. If it is the lowest possible cost, then there ends the problem and you declare that 711 rupees is the optimal solution. Suppose in case if 711 rupees is not an optimal solution, that we will decide based on the steps which I will teach you how to decide whether it is optimal or not. In case if you come across a situation where 711 rupees is not an optimal solution, then you are supposed to find a new solution. I cannot simply write that it is not optimal. If it is not optimal, then the responsibility lies on you to find out the new value. So finding the new value or new optimal solution comes to say case 2. So case 2 is not optimal, we find a new solution. So this is how we calculate or solve the problem at second level. Okay, so case 1, it is just the verification of whether the 711 rupees is optimal or not. If it is optimal, there ends the problem. Suppose if it is not optimal, then the problem continues to case 2. In case 2, we will find a new solution and that new solution will become optimal solution. So this is the overall levels or steps that we are going to follow as far as optimal solution or Modi method is concerned. And again, I'm repeating you once again, you will be able to solve Modi method perfectly only when you understand the Ogle's approximation method better. Because if you make any mistake here, then everything is gone. I hope you all agree with me. So the fundamental step is Ogle's approximation method, and there should be absolutely no confusion or no doubts as far as solving Ogle's method is concerned. Sorry. Okay, can you see the board? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, I had a call. I got a call, so I disconnected it anyway. Yeah. So I was just telling you, it is important for all of you to understand the Ogle's approximation method better. Only with Ogle's approximation method better, the optimal solution becomes easy. Right? I think it's already 10:45 now, approximately, because Modi method. Modi method requires at least half an hour time for me to explain. So I just wanted to check with you. Tomorrow, I think we don't have your class, right? As per timetable.
Yes, sir. You don't have, sir.
Okay. I think we have class on Saturday, I guess. So what we'll do is we'll continue the questions from this part. Okay. I want everyone to please make a note of this method, this problem, the solutions part particularly, because I will continue this question from here after. Again, I don't have to solve Ogle's method because it will take time. I will continue the question from this part. Anyway, we have solved 50% problem now. I'll continue this problem on Saturday. And my request to you on Saturday is I might require some extra time because with just 40 minutes, 45 minutes every day, I think it will be very difficult for me to complete syllabus because we have a huge syllabus left at your disposal. So I think on Saturdays or some other day, we might have to take some extra time, maybe like 1 hour, 15 minutes or 1 hour, 1.5 hour maximum, so that we can at least substantially cover something. So can we have at least 1.5 hour class on Saturday so that at least this entire Modi method we can complete completely in one class? Because if I do it in bits and pieces, I think you'll not be able to understand the steps clearly. So I want the entire problem to be solved in one class so that you'll get the complete idea about it. Okay. So is that okay with all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
think
sir.
Saturday 11 to 12 is the last class I guess. After that, you don't have any classes, right?
No, sir. I don't know.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So in that case, at least on Saturdays, you please, you can probably give me some extra time, maybe at least 1.5 hours, so that we can complete the Modi method. and you can probably practice some problems on Sunday and Monday. Anyway, Monday is a holiday because of Ramzan, so maybe you can just spend some time on Monday also, and you can practice some questions. I think that will be better. So anyway, since you had 8 to 10 class today, I don't want to extend it further. I'll stop at this stage. So please copy this part. Maybe we can just quickly make a note of it, and I will continue this question from here on Saturday. So the remaining part of optimal solution will take up on Saturday. I'll just leave it here for another 1 or 2 minutes, quickly make a note of it, and then we'll wind up the class. Okay?
Yes. Okay, sir.
Rajat, actually, I had a small query. Rajat, are you there? Rajat?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is there any provision in phone where I can actually avoid getting calls during Zoom classes?
There might be, sir, actually. I'll just check and tell, sir. There is a provision in computer, I know, but I'll just check in phone and I'll get back to you on this.
Please let me know, because once if I get a call, then again, I know this will disconnect and again I have to come back to create problem. Because I tried, but I was not able to do it. So
Sure.
I just wanted to check.
I'll
Yeah.
get back to you on this. All right.
Okay, thank you, no problem. Yeah. Okay, so have you all made a note of it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll continue this question on Saturday. So please be prepared for 1.5 hour class on Saturday, so that we'll complete this method, because it's a case study question. So you cannot take it as a choice. So you have to learn no other choice, because this is 15 marks compulsory question. And this is very simple also, nothing much to worry. I'll make it very simple for you to understand. But only thing is everyone should attend classes without fail. That's more important. Okay. So thank you all. So we'll end the class for the day and we'll continue the
Thank you,
class on
sir.
Saturday. Thank you.
Thank
you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.